Okay, my name is Max Chedozem. This tutorial is going to teach you how to unblock links on Facebook. Recently, Facebook has prevented Kunara to share links that contain kunara.com. But this tutorial will show you how to unblock such links very fast. You need the blog. Already have created one. If you don't have a blog, please go to my blog www.loadedjaka.blogspot.com. Click on the video and watch how to create a blog. Now, this is the blog I created for the clients. Already have created this blog. Now I go to templates, revert to classic. It's already on classic. So what I do is go to my blog and copy the code. I ask you to copy all. Then come over to your own code area. Replace it with your own code area and click on Save Template. Very easy. After this tutorial, you will see that it is very simple, like ABC. Then you save template. Remember the blog URL. If you want to see your blog URL very fast, click on the blog. But before that, let us finish up in this setting. Further, I'm creating this for one of my sponsors. Very easy. Templates. Then let me edit with his own link. Now you're seeing here, what I'm seeing here is my link. Replace it with the link of your blog. Very easy. You can change the description if you like. Earn 5,000 daily with one-time fee of 1,000 naira. Add anything you like. Here is the important place I told you of. Shorten your URL. If you don't know how to shorten your URL, let me shorten it. I enter the links here. www.kunara.com. So this is ID of my sponsor, good man. You know, he's a good man indeed. Okay, 001. Now let me shorten this link before I save. Copy all. Then go to bit.ly as I showed you in my blog. Paste it here and shorten. Now look at your shorten link. Go back to Blogger. Remove this and paste the shorten link. Now save template. Some of you guys may not know how to get your URL of your blog. Let me show you how to do that very fast. Go to Blogger. Now click here. Please watch the screen. Now go to settings. You should see your blog URL here. Now copy this This is what you share on Facebook. Then I go to Facebook. I share this. Okay. Share on Facebook. That's the end of the tutorial. Now when you click on it, let us see if it works. www.goodman.blogspot.com. Enter. Click on the link, watch your screen, and see the magic. It will now direct you to Goodman's account. Thank you for watching the tutorial. Before I say goodbye, this is the link tutorial you'll find on my blog. In case you don't know how to find it, you go to this is the link to the post. This is the link to the post. And you can subscribe to this video too. Just add Max Chidozie on Facebook. I will tell you how to subscribe. Thank you for watching. I remain Max Chidozie Odrog. Bye bye for now. Have any box, please call this line. Call my line 07035 757 Add me on Facebook. Facebook.com/MaxVigo. Thank you for watching. Enjoy yourself. Bye bye.